So, when will you deal with traditional statistical methods? The application of corresponding techniques is extremely broad. However, we will provide you with two examples that will help you associate some techniques we presented in the previous video to real-world instances. Imagine you are the head of the user experience department of a website selling goods on a global scale, which we often abbreviate as UX. All right, so what is your goal as head of UX? To maximize user satisfaction, right? Assume you have already designed and implemented a survey that measures the attitude of your customers towards the latest global product you have launched. The graph where you plot your observations will likely appear in the following way. When the data is concentrated in such a way, you should cluster the observations, remember? So, when you perform cluster analysis, you will find that each cluster represents a different continent. This group may refer to the responses gathered from Asia, this one from Europe, this one from South America, and the last one over here from North America. Once you realize there are 4 distinct groups, it makes sense to run 4 separate tests. Obviously, the difference between clusters is too great for us to make a general conclusion. Asians may enjoy using your website one way, while Europeans in another. Thus, it would be sensible to adjust your strategy for each of these groups individually. Great! Another noteworthy example we can give you is forecasting sales volume. Every business and financial company does this. So, which traditional statistical technique that we discussed would fit the picture here? Time series analysis it is. Say this was your data until a certain date. What will happen next? How should you expect the sales to be for the year ahead? Will their volume increase or decrease? Several types of mathematical and statistical models allow you to run multiple simulations, which could provide you with future scenarios. Based on these scenarios, you can make better predictions and implement adequate strategies. Awesome job, people! You are already acquainted with many of the data science essential terms, but not all, not yet. In the next video, we will present the most important things you need to know about machine learning. Thank you for watching.